So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial to get into. If you want to add a custom HTML content to your Google site, here's how to do it. So firstly, open Google Sites and select the website you want to edit. On the right side hand, click Insert. Find and select Embed, and you'll see two options, by URL and embed code. If you already have an HTML embed snippet, select Embed Code. Paste your HTML code into the box and click Next. Google Sites will show a preview of the embedded content. If everything looks good, click Insert, and you can now move and resize the embedded element on your page. Keep in mind that external websites must allow embedding for this method to work. Finally, preview your site and click Publish when you're ready. If this tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I will see you on the next one.